Okay, we finished the first lesson, the trick robot. Now next, the poem, My Robot. Poem. I'll write on the board, afterwards explain to you. My robot. I have a robot, big and strong, big and strong. 2 times it will come, big and strong, big and strong. I have a robot, big and strong, big and strong. Second line, watch now how it walks. Watch now how it walks. It means a robot. Watch now how it walks. Walks along. How it walks along. Third line, with a rhyming song. With a nice rhyming song. He walks with a nice rhyming song. Then next comes, I have a robot, smart and tall, smart and tall. I have a robot, smart and tall, smart and tall. Smart and tall, smart and tall. 2 times it will come. Smart and tall. Watch now how it welcomes all. Watch now how it welcomes all. With a nice greeting call. With a nice greeting call. Then next, it has wheels, go front and back. Robot got wheels and goes front and back. It has wheels, go front and back. 3 times this one, front and back, front and back, front and back. Three times you have to say big and strong, big and strong, and here also smart and tall 3 times. Now next, watch now how it keeps the sack. Watch now how it keeps the sack. Keeps the sack. Then next, in every little rack. In every little rack. First I will explain to you, afterwards next stanza I will teach. See here, this is about my robot. We already studied the lesson about a trick robot. Now my robot poem also you got about robot. I have, the poet is saying, I have a robot, big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Big means you know, strong means very powerful. So I have a robot, big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. 3 times you have to say. Watch now how it walks along. How it walks. How it walks means, next line see, with a nice rhyming song. With the rhyming song. Song not simply not song, with a rhyming song it walks. The next, I have a robot smart and tall. Smart means what? Good looking, fashionable. This robot is fashionable and tall. Smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Smart means very good looking and also you can say fashionable. Watch now how it welcomes all. In previous stanza you saw about how it walks. With a nice rhyming song it walks. In this stanza we saw how it welcomes all. It welcomes with a nice greeting call. It welcomes with a nice greeting call. Then next, it has wheels go front and back, front and back, front and back. It got how is go? It go front and back with the help of the wheels. It got. Watch now how it keeps the sack. Sack. He got the sack. How it keeping the sack? In every little rack. Rack means in shelf. How it keeps the in every little rack. Now once again see. I have a robot, big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Watch now how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. I have a robot, smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Watch now how it welcomes all. First stanza, walking with a nice rhyming song. Second stanza, welcoming with a nice greeting call. In third stanza, about it got the wheels. It has wheels go. How it moving? Front and back with the help of the wheel. And watch now how it keeps the sack in the every little rack. Now last stanza. And next last stanza we can see, never it takes food and rest. The robot never takes food and rest. It means here robot. Never it takes food and rest. Not at all it takes food and also rest. Always working. Food and rest, food and rest, food and rest. 3 times. Watch now how it works its best. Watch now how it works its best. How it works its best. Then last line, with all same zest. Zest means interest. With all same zest. See here, in this last stanza, it never takes rest, food and rest. Not at all take food and not at all take rest. And watch it, how it works its best. It works very best. And with all same zest. Zest means interest. Starting what interest it got, till last with the interest it works. Always it do the work with the very interesting. So again I am repeating the poem. Listen. I have a robot, big and strong, big and strong, big and strong. Watch now how it walks along with a nice rhyming song. So it walks with a nice rhyming song. I have a robot, smart and tall, smart and tall, smart and tall. Watch now how it welcomes all. with a nice greeting call. How it welcoming? With a nice greeting call. And it has wheels, go front and back, front and back, front and back. So how it goes? It goes with the wheels, front and back, front and back. And it keeps the sack in every little rack. In every little rack it keeps the sack. And main important thing is never it takes rest and food. And watch now how it work with its best, with all same zest. Now you can see the rhyming words. Three rhyming words you got. I'm saying the rhyming words now. In each stanza, you got 3 rhyming words. You can easily find out that one. In first stanza, the rhyming words are rhyming words. In first stanza, rhyming words are strong, along, song. 3 words are rhyming words. In second stanza, the rhyming words are tall, all, call. These 3 words are rhyming words. And next stanza, third stanza, the rhyming words are back, sack, and rack. These 3 words are rhyming words. In the last stanza, the rhyming words are rest, rest, best, and zest. This take down, children. Rhyming words, it is very important in this poem. First stanza, the last words repeating, no, that is rhyming words. First stanza, strong, along, song. If you read and see, you can see the rhyming words. Strong, along, song. Same pronunciation. Strong, along, song. Second stanza, tall, all, call. Third stanza, back, sack, rack. Last stanza, rest, best, zest. You understand? Now, in this lesson, we got the meanings. Next one is meanings. Meanings, if you see, means strong. I said strong means powerful. Strong means powerful. Watch. Watch means look at. Watch this. Saying, no, watch this flower. Look at this flower. Watch. Look at. Smart. Good looking or fashionable. Smart, good looking or fashionable. Rack. I said rack. The Robert kept the sack in the rack. You read, no? That one, rack means shelf. In the cupboard you got the shelf, no? That is called shelf. Next one, zest. With the same zest. Last line you got in the poem, zest. Zest means Same interest, otherwise great interest. Great interest. See here, written the meanings here. Strong, powerful. Spelling of powerful is P-O-W-E-R-F-U-L, powerful. Next one, watch. Watch. Watch means not wristwatch here. Watch means looking at. Look at. L-O-O-K, look. A-T at, look at. Smart. Smart and tall, smart and tall. You read in the poem, no? Yes, smart means good looking or fashionable. F-A-S-H-I-O-N-A-B-L-E, fashionable. Next one, rack. Shelf. S-H-E-L-F, shelf. Last one is zest. Zest means great interest. Copy down, children, in your notebook and read. Now next one is, you have to match the rhyming words here. If you know the rhyming words, you can easily find, you can match the rhyming words easily. Match. Now see here. See here, the first word is tall. See, among these 4 words, which is suitable rhyming words for this? So, heading is match rhyming words. Then only you can understand what you have to match. See here, tall. 4 words are given here. Best, all, along, sack. Which is suitable for this? Which is correct rhyming word? All. So, this one is first one. Now, next word, song. Already you finished writing this one. Among these 3 words, which is suitable for this song? Along. So, rhyming words of song is along. So, second answer is this one. Now, third one, rack. So, these 2 you finished. Among these 2, best, sack. Which is correct answer for this? Sack. Very good. Sack. And last one is rest. So, answer is best. So, rhyming words finished. You copy down. Tall, all, song, along, rack, sack, rest, best. Understood? Now, fill up is given here. You already read the poem. Will you able to say the answer? Fill up. Easy only. You can able to answer this. I have a robot, big and I have a robot. First line of the poem. You can easily say the answer. I have a robot, big and dash. You know the answer, no children? I have a robot, big and what is the answer? Very good. Strong. Strong. Strong means I already said powerful. Now second question. I have a robot, dash and tall. I have a robot. And this is in second stanza. You read that one. I have a robot, dash and tall. What answer for this, children? Smart. Very good. Smart. Smart means I said meaning of this good looking or fashionable. So, smart and tall. Third fill up. It keeps the sack in every little dash. Here it means robot. It keeps the sack in every little dash. You see the rhyming words, you have to match it. Tall, all. You have to see the pronunciation of this. Tall, all. Among these 4 words, you have to match this one. Song. What is the rhyming words of song? Along. What is that? Along. Rack, sack. And rest, best. These 4 words are rhyming words. You have to match. Then fill up. I have a robot, big and dash, strong. Strong means powerful. And I have a robot, dash and tall, smart. Smart and tall. Spelling of smart is S-M-A-R-T, smart. Then next one, it keeps the sack in every little rack. Here it refers to robot. So robot keeps the sack in every little rack. R-A-C-K, rack. Rack means shelf. And again, it never takes dash and dash. Here it means robot. Robot never takes food and zest. F-O-O-D, food, and R-E-S-T, rest. So you understood this poem. So you have to write these words, this question, match the rhyming words, fill up and all in your notebook and learn very well. Next class, I will ask you the question answers. Thank you, children.